Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys another relaxed hair wash day. I'm trying out some new products and I wanted to show those to you guys and let you know how they performed on my hair. Now, these products are not new on the market. They are just new to me in my relaxed hair care regimen. The first product that I'm using is the Camille Rose Rosemary Water. I have seen a lot of girls using rosemary water and it has a lot of great benefits, so I wanted to give it a try on my hair. I'll keep you guys updated as to the long-term impacts on my hair, but this specific time that I used it, I noticed that my scalp felt really good, my hair felt hydrated, and I also noticed a lot less dandruff on my hair with this wash day. So far so good. To use the rosemary water, I'm parting my hair in large sections and spraying it directly to my scalp. I'm also going to spray it on my hair strands as well. I'm focusing it on my edges too because this is an area that I want to focus on growing back. My hairline has gotten a lot thicker over the years, but I want it to grow back even more, so I'm definitely focusing on that area. I also purchased this scalp brush from Amazon to help with scalp stimulation as well. I'm using this rosemary water in conjunction with my coconut oil to hydrate my hair and help the coconut oil penetrate better onto my hair. And after I finish applying both of these, I am going to sit under the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow both of these ingredients to really penetrate and moisturize my hair. Once I am done with my hot oil treatment and letting that sit on my hair under the dryer, it is time to shampoo my hair. Today I'm using the Jojoba K-Pack Reconstructing Shampoo. I have heard a lot of great things about this shampoo and I really enjoy these types of reconstructing and bond building shampoos because they help to fortify your hair and make it stronger and more resistant against breakage. Ever since I have started incorporating these type of shampoos into my hair routine, I noticed that my hair is a lot thicker and sheds a lot less. So if you have been having issues with shedding and breakage, try incorporating some sort of reconstructing shampoo into your regimen and using it every so often. One of you guys said that you use Jojoba products in your relaxed hair care routine, and that is what made me want to try this shampoo because this is my first time actually trying this shampoo. But I used to use Jojoba products a lot back in the day when I was in college and also when I first relaxed my hair a while ago, and I had such great results. So I decided to bring it back around and give this shampoo a try. If I can remember the other Jojoba products that I used to use, I will list them in the description box. But yeah, this shampoo did not disappoint. It left my hair feeling so good and strong, as well as moisturized, and my hair smelled so good for days after using it. Next, I am applying the rinse out conditioner that goes with the shampoo. I am applying a generous amount and letting this sit on my hair a couple of minutes while I finish up my shower. After I finish shampooing my hair and applying the rinse out conditioner, it is time to detangle my hair and apply my deep conditioner. The deep conditioner that I'm using today is the Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Treatment. This has got to be my favorite deep conditioner that I've ever used on my hair. If you've never tried this conditioner, once you use it, I promise it will become a staple in your routine. It makes my hair feel so buttery soft and moisturized, as well as just very silky. And I have gotten so many compliments from people like that have just looked at my hair or touched my hair and be like, oh my God, your hair is so soft. I really think it has to do with this conditioner. I love it, and it has become a staple in my routine, especially if I use some sort of bond building or protein product. This conditioner is great for balancing out that protein and getting my hair all the way together. I do let that sit on my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes under the dryer. And my next step is going to be blow drying. This is very important because it is part of the styling process. Today, as my heat protectant, I am using the Color Wow Dream Coat. This was my first time using this product. I know I'm really late to the party, but I wanted to give it a try and it did not disappoint. This is a great product to use if you are tech-laxed like me, if it has been a while since you have gotten your relaxer and you have a lot of new growth, or if you are a natural hair girl. This is going to be great at making your hair very silky and smooth when you do your silk press, as well as preventing your hair from reverting after you have pressed it out. And it just made my hair a lot more shiny and a lot more silky as I was flat ironing it. And it also acts as a heat protectant. So this is going to be a must in my routine going forward. As I mentioned, the blow dry step is really important because it is a part of our styling process. So I am making sure that I get my hair really straight with this blow dry so that I do not have to overwork myself when it comes time to flat iron. I also am making sure that my roots are completely dry because my ends always get dry before my roots, and I'm making sure that my hair is as straight as it can possibly get before I go in with that flat iron. To flat iron my flat iron automatically comes set at 370 degrees. I do not change it because I have found that this heat setting works perfect for getting my hair really straight and silky without using too much heat. So I just leave it there. I have not had any heat damage, and this setting works for me. To flat iron my hair, I'm just using one pass, and I'm also using my comb. I know that there are comb attachments that you could put on your flat iron, but I do not want to put a comb attachment on my flat iron. I like it the way it is, and the chase method works just fine for me. Once I finish with flat ironing my hair, I am going to divide it into larger sections and curl my hair. That is not shown on this video, but if y'all want to see another video on how I curl and style my hair in a separate tutorial, let me know and I will make that happen for you. Once I finish styling my hair, I'm going to finish it off with this Kerastase Elixir Ultimate Hydrating Oil. This provides a lot of shine and a lot of moisture on my hair and is a great finishing product, so I love adding this in my routine. If you found any value in this video and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel if you're not. Let me know what videos that you all want to see in the future, and let me know what was your favorite product from this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.